Tonight's focus is a mild nighttime cough common to families during seasonal changes and dry air. A warm cup of marshmallow root tea soothes irritated throats and coats mucosa, a remedy documented in traditional apothecaries for centuries. For kids and adults alike, honey mixed with slippery elm lozenges helps ease coughing without loud suppression. Licorice root, used judiciously, supports throat comfort, though should be avoided by those with high blood pressure or certain conditions. Always start with the smallest dose and consult a clinician if symptoms persist or worsen.